storms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles east of North Point Lighthouse to 14 nautical miles east of Windsor Harbor, moving northeast at 20 knots. Additional storms will be moving in from the west. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Stronger thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters.